Hey everybody, it's Carol. So much to show you today, so much to chat about. First, I want to tell you that I'm wearing this Unread. It's called Unread. The Unread by Sally Hansen Insta-Dry in this Sour Patch collection. It's a beautiful, beautiful red. Also, I am wearing Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. Look how tiny. It came in this box. It was a free sample in Sephora when you make a purchase. It's the cutest little lipstick, and it's shaped just like her regular sized ones are. It's so cute. And what else? I went to the Dollar Tree and I got a whole bunch of products. I bought this ice cream teether for babies. I bought it to put in my freezer. That's what you're supposed to do, and then the babies teeth on it. But there's no babies around me anymore. But I bought it because I am so clumsy. I always hit my head on the cabinet door. So I just need it to hold on, and my hand doesn't freeze. Because all my other ice packs don't have a handle. So I thought this was really a good idea. Right there, it hurts. I've learned my lesson. But it's great for a bruise. Then I got these. 2 of these. Gosh, they could be used for anything. First of all, they could be used for a fancy dinner. Everyone can get their own bucket of ice and drinks. You could put it in the middle of the table with drinks. You could put flowers. You could put breadsticks, Italian bread. You could just go wild with this. I thought it was the cutest thing. I'm going to use it right here in my filming room. It really is cute. Also, my samples, I got Tom Ford, Oud Wood, and Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, and I give these to my grandsons. I give them to the boys. Also, I got Roller Age Defy Dark Circle and Puffiness Serum. I thought as long as it had a good serum in it for dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles, it's great. And the applicator is perfect. I don't think it's refillable. Well, it could be, but this is great. This was only $1.25. You know, the Dollar Tree's not $1 anymore. It adds up too. Then I got this mascara. I figured, let me get it. It's only $1.25. It's by LA Colors. It's called WOWIE. WOWIE. It lifts lashes. So we're going to try it. I did it this morning on one eye. I'm going to put it on this one. I'm going to see if I could lift this up. This side. Now, I use my regular mascara, and then when I find a lifting mascara, I just add it at the end. Yeah, I think it's lifting it. So this is a good thing to get, the WOWIE mascara in the Dollar Tree. And you just add it on top of your mascaras. Look at that. Yeah, I think it works. It's so cute. It's a little one. It's a WOWIE Classic Black. Okay, and it's got a curved wand. Then I found this by Essentially Ageless in light medium. It's a foundation, and the reason I got it was because it has hyaluronic acid in it, paraffin and phthalate free, but it's a hydrating serum foundation, and that's what you want. That is what you want. Now it looks like, oh, very smooth. It kind of looks sheer, but it's hydrating. So I would say I'm going to put it right here. I like the tube with with me. I will put it all over in a get ready with me for you. And I'll report back to you if I like it. I mean, this could even go as an under a foundation thing. That's a dewy foundation, and I'm putting on as concealer. Then I got this Bounce. I'm going to try this on for you also. Foundation. This is foundation from the Beauty Blender. People who make the Beauty Blender. Then I got this Aroma Guru roll-on, and it's for everything. It helps heal itchy skin. It's a natural vapor rub. It awakens the mood. It helps ease headaches. It helps increase focus. So it comes in a roll-on, which I love. And I'll just put some behind my ear. It smells good. It smells like peppermint candy. So that to me is not offensive. I could handle it. So I think that was cute. It comes in two other flavors also. Almond oil and lavender. I just thought this would be the less offensive. I got this from Makeup by Mario. I just love his packaging. And I love the way he does Kim's makeup. And I'm watching the Kardashians now. So look at this packaging. I mean, it's beautiful. And it's absolutely sheer. And you just go like this. You get it on your fingers. And you just put a highlight on. It's a sheer, clear highlight. It actually just makes you dewy. Now, I have a cheaper version that I've been using for many, many months. It's by Derol. And is that Derol? Yeah, Derol, D-E-R-O-L. It's called Silky. And it's a tube, a push-up, and you just put this on, and I put it right on the crow's feet. It just makes you look nice and dewy. I'm not mixing them. And this is your cheaper alternative. I actually like it in a stick form, but this is very, very good, and it lasts all day on your face. It just stays like that. Oh, and let me just tell you what it says here. I know it says, oh, my signature secret for creating a dewy glass-like glow for the eyes and face in a nourishing, non-sticky formula. Okay, eyes too. Let's see. I don't know. I'm not sure. It really is very, very nice. Very nice. Then I got this by Mario. It's called Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer All Over Warming Complexion Tint. So, I'm not going to put this on now, but I am going to try it. Look at the packaging. So gorgeous. And then you open it and so I guess with no makeup you would just put it on and it would kind of sheer out the bronzer effect. Oh, I don't know where I would use it right now. I don't know. Maybe as a shadow here, maybe as a this, but it's kind of balmy. So I'm not sure about this, but it looks cute. I think it really looks cute. Another thing, this is a stress reliever. Now, it was like $8.99 on Amazon. Now, I'm not sure what I think about it. But what you're supposed to do is, under a stressful situation, You breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds, hold it for 7 seconds, and then breathe out slowly for 10 seconds. Okay? So now, unfortunately, this is just an empty hole. So you could take any straw and do the same thing. The whole idea of it is to have it on you so you will use it. It might be good. It might be a good thing for some people. I would just like it to have a little more resistance. But here you go. Oh, okay. I got 2 products I want to show you now. One product was sent to me free by Very Supplements, VERI, and it is called Snug. So, it is a sleep supplement, natural bedtime blend. You're supposed to take 2. I only take 1, and I have slept all night ever since I started these. You see the wafers? I just chew 1. It says 2 tablets, but I just take 1. And I think the first night I took 2, but then I said, I'm going to try 1. And I've slept every night. So they have a little bit of melatonin. They have taurine, GABA, L-theanine, vitamin D, vitamin B6, and magnesium. And it says there, justified potent blends comprehensively addressing multiple roots of common symptoms. Simplified non-GMO ingredients free of common allergens, fallopian, heavy metals, and contaminants. So thank you, Very. I'm enjoying it. I'm sleeping better. So I just thought you needed to know about this in case you're interested. I'll put the link down below. This other product that was sent to me, Elevate by Vita Optima. This is a boosting gummy. Now, they have on the back, hashtag get lifted. Here is what they look like. They boost you, and I didn't know that they boost you when I asked for it. I thought it was going to help me sleep also, and I figured I would try whatever I could get my hands on to sleep at night. And these are a boosting one, so you're not going to fall asleep on it at all. I mean, I don't think you're going to fall asleep on it. It's a one to lift you up during the day. It contains less than 0.3% THC. It's vegan, gluten-free, made in the USA. But it says premium Delta 8 gummies, juicy fruit, 30 pieces, 10 milligrams each. The whole bottle is 300 milligrams. But I should have known when I saw the rocket ship going up. It's like, psh, I think that's what might happen. So these are for people that need a little boost during the day. So this was gifted to me too by this company, Vita Optima. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you had a few minutes to forget about your worries and watch my video. And I will see you in my next video. I appreciate you and thank you for being here. Mwah. Love you all.